Is there a simple way to delete a list element by value? I want to remove a value from a list if it exists in the list, which it may not. The above gives the error. So I have to do this. But is there not a simpler way to do this?
To remove the first occurrence of an element, use list.remove. To remove all occurrences of an element, use a list comprehension. Usually Python will throw an exception if you tell it to do something it can't, so you'll have to do either or. An exception isn't necessarily a bad thing as long as it's one you're expecting and handle properly.
You can do. But above need to search 6 in lister 2 times, so try except would be faster.
Consider. To take out all occurrences, you could use the filter function in Python. For example, it would look like. So, it would keep all elements of a not equal to just take out one of the items used.
If you want to see more, please consider